Verifying your Threads account can enhance your credibility and help you connect with a wider audience. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access your account settings. Log into your Threads account and navigate to your profile. Look for the settings or account options, usually represented by a Get icon or similar. Step 2. Locate the verification section. Within the account settings, find the section dedicated to account verification. This may be labeled as verification or request verification. Step 3. Provide required information. Fill out the necessary information for verification. This typically includes your account name, a brief description of your account, and any relevant links to your other social media profiles or websites. Step 4. Submit identification. You may be required to submit a form of identification to confirm your identity. This could include a government-issued ID or other documentation that verifies your identity and authenticity. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your verification request, wait for the Threads team to review your application. This process may take several days, so be patient and keep an eye on your notifications for any updates. Once you have completed these steps, you will be on your way to having a verified Threads account. Good luck!